Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have the SONY ULT FIELD 3 speaker and I'm going to tell you how we can easily do a software firmware update. As you can see here we have the latest audio device software is available. Let's click more info and start. Now as you can see we have the monitor to connect our device to the power supply and yeah, so let's connect our speaker. Here as you can see at the back we have our DC input. Let's plug this in and click OK. As you can see now our speaker is charging, so let's click start again. Now as you can see here we have the latest audio device software and now we just have to wait. Now as you can see here we have the update the audio device software. Let's click more info and start again. Now our real software update begins. As you can see software update is now completed. Let's click OK. And that's it. Hope it helps you and goodbye.